What is up guys, Standard this sides. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear or remove recent search history in Outlook. So first head over to Outlook's website by typing outlook.live.com. After that, log in or sign up with your Outlook account. And after that, when you're redirected to the home page, from here on the right side, you will see this scale icon, which is the settings icon. Click on this, and then after opening the settings on the left side, you need to click on General. And after clicking General, here on the right side, you will see the option of Privacy and Data. Click on this. And by opening this Privacy and Data section, scroll down a bit, and then you will see the section of Search History. Below the Search History section, you will see the button to delete history. Click on this, and then a confirmation pop-up will appear. From here, if you continue, your search history will be permanently deleted. Click on Continue, and then your recent search history or any of your history will be deleted. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.